Hey there, welcome to DollMotion. If you remember, I did a fun Pokémon collab with the Doll Fairy and Dollightful. We became very good friends and we still like to talk about toys, Pokémon and well, dolls. One day the doorbell rang and this package arrived from Dollightful, all the way from South Korea. As you may know, I myself live in the Netherlands, so this little box has traveled a long way. I marked off our address for, well, private reasons. I did draw a flower on it to make it less awkward. Well, let's open it already. I'm so excited. Nice, blue paper. First we have the envelope with a card. Katherine has written me a letter. I'm not going to read it out loud, but I'm going to mention some things she wrote. Oh, I see a face with a tongue. Oh, they're pink-white socks with a face. Let's see, what is your socks today? But now we have the question, will the socks fit me? Although I live in the Netherlands, I'm kind of a small person. I have like very small feet. Let's see. Wow, they fit. Next up, we have our business card. Oh, I really love this artwork on the back. This can go to my doll artist shrine. Then we have a big red bar of chocolates. Let's see, it's called Lotte Ghana? Lotte Ghana? I'm probably not saying this right. On the back we have a lot of words in Korean. Oh, the barcode is also a chocolate bar. Next up we have, oh, hair accessory. Oh, it's a cute big strawberry. Oh, I see, it's a hair clip, right? Some scissors, oh, here we go. Sadly, hair clips won't stay in my hair. I myself have like very straight hair, so it will only stay for like, well, a few minutes. But it will look great on my blind doll. Oh, so cute. Yeah, I really need to customize this doll one day. Then we have marker and Mimo it. Oh, they're cats. Oh, I love cats. Well, this one looks like a dog though. I will definitely use these as markers for my books and mangas. Next up is a cactus. Oh no, it's a pen. Okay, now I have to know which color it writes. Oh, is it dried up? Oh no, wait, it has a safety cap on it. Oh, nice, it's black. And you know what? I got two. It's a big carrot. And this one writes, oh, also black. They look great together as a pair. Then we have, ooh, more chocolate. Kicker. Oh wait, those are like those KitKat bars with green tea flavor. I've seen these on Instagram. Or is it wasabi flavor? Oh, please don't be wasabi flavor. I tasted it after the unboxing and yes, it's green tea flavor. It's very good. Next up is also a Crown brand candy. Atoy? Otoy? Yeah, I'm saying it wrong, right? It has vitamin C and it's apple flavor. Yeah, I really want to see how it looks like. Let's see. Oh, okay. Well, let's taste it. Whoa, this is really weird. It's like gum, but you can chew it and eat it. Yeah, you won't find this in the Netherlands. Then we have Maxim packs of instant coffee. Katherine mentioned Korean people really love their coffee. She didn't even like coffee until she tried this stuff. Well, let's try it ourselves. Well, you don't have to sweeten it anymore. It already has sugar and milk in it. Yeah, I can see why Korean people love their coffee. It really tastes good. Next up, a bag of random art supplies. I can definitely use these. You will probably see them in future repaint videos. Then we have a big grey cute cat. Oh wait, it's hand cream. I'm so happy you write many things in English on their packaging. Let's try it out. Yeah, I really should have washed the black ink from my hands. It smells very nice and also dries very fast. I'm going to keep this next to my computer. Next up we have... Oh cool! I love this! Katherine mentioned she enjoys bookbinding. She made this herself. I love self-made things. It has a variety of colored paper. And you can lay it open flat, which makes it more easy to sketch. Aw, so thoughtful. Aw, cute, there's even a small note. I can't really help myself, so let's draw something. I already have given many hints, but my next doll repaint on this channel is going to be Gengar. After the unboxing, I've drawn more Pokémon. I will definitely use this sketchbook to make doll designs. And then the last item from the package. Oh cute, a bakery and donut miniature set. These will be great for my dolls. Let's open it up. So tiny. There's even some assembling. The bottle goes here. Sweet pastry here.
Hey, what you doing?
Oh, hey. I'm unboxing bakery and donut miniatures.
Oh, okay.
Do you want one?
Okay.
Here.
Alright, thanks, bye.
He always knows to find me when I'm unboxing food. I really love my surprise package from Katherine. I got so many things I never have seen or tasted before. It really was a fun experience. I really want to thank my friend Dollightful for sending me this. Thank you, Katherine. Here's a shot of everything still in its package. And like always, like if you liked it and sub if you loved it. See you in the next video. Bye!